Hi, this is David Christiansen in Hamburg, Germany. In this video in the Sibelius Ultimate series, I want to show you how to create an orchestral score with condensed instrument. So flute 1 and flute 2 is on one stave for the conductor, and oboe 1 and oboe 2 as well one stave, so combined. At the same time, in this Sibelius file, you can create the parts so that you have flute 1, flute 2, oboe 1, and oboe 2 as separate parts. And if you need to do a quick change at a certain point, you can do it in one file and one go. Go to the File menu and choose New. On the New Score tab, choose Blank. And here choose your favorite page size and house style. For example, this one. On the Home tab, click Add or Remove Instruments. You can use the shortcut I as well on your keyboard. Enter flute into the Find field and click Flute. Now add 3 flutes by clicking Add to Score 3 times. Add as well 3 oboes and click OK. Now you have a score with 6 staves. Click on the bar line of bar 3 and press return. That way you can now see the long and short instrument names. Double-click on the instrument names and rename them to flute 1.2, or you could use 2 flutes as well. It's a matter of taste. Below that, flute 1, flute 2, oboe 1.2 or 2 oboes, oboe 1, oboe 2. After that, change the short instrument names accordingly. You now can delete the system break by clicking onto it and pressing delete. Enter some music into flute 1 and flute 2. Select the bars of both staves and copy it with Command C or Control C, depending on your operating system. You can now use an intelligent paste function. Select the empty bars in the combined flute system. Then on the Note Input tab, you can choose Arrange, Reduce. And by the way, Explode and Arrange here are useful sometimes as well, depending on the situation. Let's do the same with the oboes. Let's copy with Command C or Control C and use the Reduce function. Of course, it's possible the other way around as well. So if you, for example, import a MIDI file, you maybe have this on one stave and then want to copy it to the separate staves. Then you can work with the explode function. In the conductor score, you don't want to show all these staves. So it's best to create a part now called conductor score. Go to Parts, New Part, choose the stave flute 1, 2, and then Command click or Control click onto oboe 1 and 2 to mark it as well. Then choose Add to Part and click OK. On the File tab, rename the part name to Conductor Score. Go back to the Appearance tab, Instrument Names, and choose Add Start Full, subsequently Short. Let's do some housekeeping at the end now and go to Part Setup, Delete Part. Here you can delete flute 1, 2 and oboe 1, 2 as they don't need to be printed as parts. Now the full score has become an overview of all music and parts. And we have now created the conductor score as a new part, and you can adjust it freely to your needs. I hope this is helpful to you, and now you can create some really great looking orchestral scores. You can add the time signature and dynamics, your own music, the title, all this, of course. I just wanted to show you the concept, how this all can work. And I hope you liked it, and visit my website, have a look around.